Hi everyone, it's raining outside and I'm standing with a shirt. It's actually a good feeling. I was walking in this rain in San Francisco. It's nice, it can help the fires, but these days so many people have cold weather in the East Coast and in other places in this country, like the Midwest. And one thing that happens, many people run away from the outdoors and stay indoors, and the circulation gets poorer and poorer. One nice exercise for everyone is to lift your arms and your legs in an opposite manner, right? And to make sure that your blood runs into your extremities, because it's important that you have warm hands and warm feet. Many people become ill in the middle of winter, not because of the winter, but because of the fact that they have to close themselves indoors. Sometimes open the window for a minute or go out for a minute and breathe some cold air. I'm looking forward to talk to you in the message of the week.